Hi guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalakas si Masha ngayon at paano ba siya gamitin ng maayos. Makikita natin na ang ban rate ni Masha ay 82.16 sa Mythic rank, at bakit nga ba ganito kataas ang ban rate ni Masha? Dahil sa na-receive na buff ni Masha ngayong season, may na-adjustment sa skill niya pero overall ay pinalakas pa rin siya, at papakita ko kung gaano siya kasakit. Kapag nababawasan ang HP bar ni Masha ay magagamit mo ulit ang kanyang ultimate, kaya pag nagmamasya ka ay huwag ka matakot ay spam ultimate mo. At may ipapakita ako na videos kung ano ang combo para kay Masha. Sana itong video na ito ay makatulong sa inyo sa paggamit sa Masha. Katulad ng sinabi ko, ay spam mo lang ultimate ni Masha lalo na kapag mga heroes na lack of mobility. Panoorin niyo muna para makita niyo kung gaano kalakas ang burst ni Masha.
Got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, hey. You'll be fine, hey. Just take your time, hey. Enjoy the climb, hey. Enjoy the grind, hey. You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, hey. Make them take it back what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, take that shit about you. Get out of the crowd, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you're found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Make it, not just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control and don't just take it. You can make it happen. You just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and on the back,
At ito ang aking full build sa Masha. Ito ay burst build na aking ginagamit. Sana ito ay makatulong sa inyo sa paggamit sa Masha.